So we are going to start the next topic of magnetic material is nothing but here the magnetization and magnetic intensity. So what do you mean by magnetization? Magnetization is denoted by capital M. Okay, magnetization is denoted by capital M. So it is the ratio of magnetic moment per unit volume is what we can write here. Magnetic moment per unit volume. That a ratio that is to get called as here the magnetization. समजलं? म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक मोमेंट अपॉन व्हॉल्यूम म्हणजे काय असतं या ठिकाणी मॅग्नेटायझेशन असतं. आणि मॅग्नेटिक इंटेन्सिटी that is denoted by capital H. So here what we can write here, generally whenever you are going to define the terms magnetic intensity, the strength of the magnetic field, that is denoted by here the magnetic intensity. Here the H is directly proportional to magnetization. So here H is equal to psi into M. So here in another word you can write here where psi is known as here the proportionality constant, that is known as here the magnetic susceptibility. So you can write here H is equal to psi into M here, or you can write here what psi is known as what magnetic susceptibility. या साईला आपण या ठिकाणी काय म्हणतो मॅग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी असं आपण त्या ठिकाणी सांगतो. आणि यावरून आपल्याला या ठिकाणी एक रेनॉल्ड्स रिंगच्या संदर्भात मॅग्नेटायझेशन किती असतं त्याचं डेरिव्हेशन आपल्याला या ठिकाणी बघायचं आहे. सो यू नो दॅट हियर लेट अस कन्सिडर वन काइंड्स ऑफ सर्क्युलर रिंग्स, solenoid you can say that, and inside that circular ring here the number of turns of the wire that is to be get wound here, and here you can say that this is nothing but here the solenoids in which here the number of turns of wire that is to be get wound here. In that case here we have to find out the magnetic moment. आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी मॅग्नेटिक मोमेंट हे या ठिकाणी फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग आता मॅग्नेटिक मोमेंट हे फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपण या ठिकाणी काही विचार करणार आहे. द आयर्न कोर व्हॉट एव्हर मे बी द मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू द solenoid that can be written as here, that is mu0 n into I. So this is what the magnetic field due to a solenoid. Inside the solenoids, the iron core that is to be get passes here. So here you can write here the magnetic intensity due to the iron core, that is net magnetization, that can be also find out here. आपल्याला ते सुद्धा आपल्याला या ठिकाणी इथं विचारात घ्यायचं आहे. That is equal to, that is psi into M, psi into H, psi into H. Okay. So here psi into M, I can write here psi into M. Then the net resultant magnetic induction that can be written as BO plus BM here. So you can write here that is mu0 Ni plus here that is psi into M. So here you can write here that is N into I is nothing but here the H here. So I can write in this case mu0 into H plus psi into M. Psi into M. So here how will you find out the value of M? You know that the M can be considered as here magnetization. You can find out here the magnetization here, that is mu 0 H plus you can write mu 0 Ni plus mu 0 M. So mu 0 H plus mu 0 M. So here mu 0 H plus here the mu 0 M. Sorry, you can write here that is mu 0 M. So mu 0 is to be taken outside the formula here, that is mu 0 into H plus M. So this is the value of B. हे झालं या ठिकाणी B ची किंमत. So B is equal to mu 0 H plus M. B is equal to mu 0 H plus M. आता याच्यामध्ये B ची किंमत आपण या ठिकाणी जर काढली तर B upon mu 0 is equal to H plus M घेता येतं. So H is equal to B upon mu 0 minus M. So it is found that here the H is directly proportional to M. H is directly proportional to B here. That means here H and M are having the same unit and dimension. याच्यावर आपण असं सांगू शकतो या ठिकाणी की H आणि M चं जे युनिट आणि डायमेन्शन आहे कसं आहे, सारखं आहे हे आपण त्या ठिकाणी इथं सांगू शकतो. So H is directly proportional to M, H is directly proportional to B here. So both are having the same units here. So again you can write this equation. आपण पुन्हा हे इक्वेशन लिहूया, that is हे लिहिलं आपण या ठिकाणी H च्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये आपण हे इक्वेशन H is equal to B upon mu 0 into M. तर हे इक्वेशन्स आपल्याला त्या पद्धतीने आपण लिहू शकतो, बरोबर की नाही. आता इथं M ची किंमत जी आहे हे M ची किंमत आपण या ठिकाणी काय लिहू शकतो, यू नो दॅट व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ M. M is nothing but here the psi into H. M is nothing but here the psi into H here. You can put this value in here, that is mu 0 H plus psi into H here. So H is to be taken common. So you can write here 1 plus psi. So you can write here B is equal to mu 0 into mu R into H, where mu R is nothing but here 1 plus psi, that is known as here the relative permeability. तर आपण या ठिकाणी काय म्हणतो, relative permeability असा पण त्या ठिकाणी सांगतो. So this is the equation that you can write, that is B is equal to mu 0 mu R into H. So this is the equation that can be considered in terms of the magnetic intensity, magnetic susceptibility, magnetizations. So such kinds of relation that is to be asked in the examination. Okay.